One of the things that's changed the most in the last couple of years is that our customers are asking for us to help craft the solution, from the software to the hardware to the way it's deployed to the way it's supported long term. So they're relying on us more than they've ever relied on us in the past. And they have limited resources, so it's very important that our expertise is leveraged by our customers and we become trusted advisors for very critical projects. So there are three pillars that our current customers and future customers are really going to expect from us. And one is, of course, what we've traditionally offered, which is really reliable, really rugged hardware. That is our staple. But what we're also supporting our customers with is a really great support model. So if those devices should need repair, we've got a fully baked, world-class, in fact, unprecedented support model. What we've added more recently to the offering is our ability to support them from a software perspective. That's probably the most rapidly evolving piece of our business. So we're relied on to do a lot more than just provide rugged and reliable Toughbooks. We're relied upon to create that solution, deploy that solution, and then support that solution for the long haul.